Sama kami sa Takuro magtanim ng palay. Imbis magpahinga lang kami, sama-sama man nung batang maliit. Oo, bakit ka na? Ito pa. This is Bunky. It's very nice. What is the color of palm tree in the grass? Green, very good. We're going to Takuro. We're going to the farm. With the baby. What? No, you're a baby. You're still baby. Your children? Why? Why are you children? That's not your baby. We are here in the city of Bondwell. What? Ay, hollow blocks? Yeah, hollow block. Yeah. Hollow block gawin nila. Yes. Yes. Ano si ate ganda oh? She not heard you. What? Oh, what's that? It's a police car. What? Yeah, police car. Yes? Yeah. It's other excavator. Nagdidigging. Yeah. Punta na kami doon sa aming farm. Ay, farm pala ni Lolo Puldo. Ay,
Mali.
ay, doon sa ila Ate Tina.
Mali ali-ali. Tingnan na pictures, dami.
Ano, dahil pictures?
Yan, titila.
Oo.
Hindi yung tito ko. Okay.
Agay. Ay, nako.
Paano yan? Si Pia. Wala pag na.
Wala na pag. Okay. Put down na.
Nasada pa diba?
Okay, hold it tight.
Wow, dami
The
water
road is not
dito.
good.
Dami water dito.
What?
Wala na dito yan.
Oh, goodness ko. Kaldan.
Mabasa. Mabasa ako. Ayan.
Hala. Huwag ka salta ng salta. Magsakit yung tiyan mo. Mapasok ng hangin.
Ayan. At the right.
To the right, to the left.
To the right.
No, not to the left, not to the right. It is straight. Going straight. Over there.
Over there.
Yeah.
To the left.
No, not the left.
To the right.
No. Going straight.
Hindi yan.
Going straight yan eh. Oh.
Oh. Punta natin silang house.
Ano?
Punta natin silang house. Wow. B. Comfy about.
Ano?
Comfy about.
No, not comfy.
Oh.
It's a rough road.
The rough road.
Yeah.
Yan.
The road is not good.
Oo, dumalikod.
Oo.
Why?
It's because maraming butas.
Butas? Ano yan? Butas.
Like that, oh, butas.
Butas?
You know butas?
Why?
Why? Because, I don't know. What why?
Bato sa pagka-malitraga. Basta nagtitina.
Doon sa bahay nila, syempre. Oo. Alright ko. Alright ko. The road is not comfy.
A green mother. What? Tricycle? Tricycle! Tricycle! Ayan. Wala road.
Wala road.
Wala road man.
Ano wala road, man?
Ayan.
Ano wala?
Ayan. Ganyan. Dito na tayo.
Where do you go? To the left or the right? What is this right? What is this way? It's a right? Bata. Bata. Ikaw na nagsabi bata. Di ba? Yeah, it's other bata. And other dog. Ano? Kakakak.
What? Ayan, the kid?
Yeah.
Two chickens?
Yeah. You count the chicken.
Banana.
Chicken. No. No, that's wrong. It's chicken papaya. Chicken papaya.
Chicken banana.
Bari-bari, pero dilaw.
Marami. Dadali lang.
Lalo tayong mapansin yan eh. Wala na siguro ako eh. Ha? Jerson? Adi di motoran ni. Ay, ha? Baka di kalman.
Ayan.
Doon naman nagpasok si Tito Son. Tito Son yun?
Malasiyan.
Parang hindi ba si Tito Son yun?
Malasiyan.
Baka nagdiretso siya sa bahay nila at Tina. Ay, so na dyan? Ito yung mga ay na lot for sale. Nilat for sale nila. Hala, nag-ubo na siya.
Mama, yan?
Ha?
Yan?
Yes.
Ako ka na sa net.
Coconut on it, yes.
What? I'm walking from three.
Go.
Huh?
Let's go, Lai. Say hi.
Kids, hi. My friends yan.
Your friends yan? Ngayon mo na nakita, your friends? Pilingon ka.
Ayan.
Your friends yan? Sana all, maraming friends. Sana all, mayroong friends. This is
Ano yan na road?
ano na road? Going to Ate Tina house.
Ano yan na road?
Going to Ate Tina house.
Daming houses.
Oh, say good morning to Lolo.
Hi, Lola.
Hi, Lolo.
Hi.
Very.
Hi, Lola. Lola. Kalba.
Ingay mo, bonggong.
Ano yan?